Hey guys, running Kimono here. So shout out to Clean Cut Couponing. I believe 2 nights ago she posted this on her YouTube, also on her Instagram too. And I also had this little matchup and it was kind of like a joke matchup. But if you have a CVS and you didn't hear of this deal, here it is. Go and look for this type of toilet paper. It is called Babo. It's a bamboo toilet paper, fancy stuff for $6.99. You would get back a $6 extra care buck. Its final price point is 99 cents for 8 rolls, which is fantastic. So it's 12 cents per roll. I mean, it's really cheap. The joke on Instagram is a lot of people, when they see my matchups, they want like a breakdown, how much per wipe, how much for number one, number two. It's really gotten crazy, even for a box of cereal, like how much per spoonful. It's a joke. So that's why I put this out there. But if you have a CVS and you missed out on this deal, you might want to look for it. And for this specific brand, I think they must have ordered a lot of it. They even have displays of nothing. It's once per store card, but what a sensational deal. So like run on this one. A lot of us that don't have a CVS but have a Walgreens, we can get a 12-pack of the Cottonelle for $2.99. This is once per store card, and this deal is in concert with IBOTTA. But $2.99 for this amazing 12-pack of Cottonelle. That is the cheapest I've seen it in a really, really long time. And this stuff is not it is a more expensive toilet paper. And if you're a fan of Cottonelle, I think you'll be able to understand what I'm saying here. So as you can see at my store, it's usually 2 for $16 or $8 for a 12-pack. I mean, this stuff is made out of gold. This week, it is on sale for $4.99, which is a really great, I would even say, hey, that's a stock-up price, but it gets better, guys. So this coupon showed up on Sunday, so it'll make it $3.99 with the coupon. The coupon is of a one-time use. It is a manufacturer, so load it right away. But, this gets even better. IBOTTA has a $1 rebate that's working on this package. So it would drop it down to $2.99 after the IBOTTA rebate. And if you purchased the toilet paper perhaps on Sunday, you can still upload your receipt to IBOTTA and get that $1 rebate because it's up to 7 days post. So photograph your receipt, send it off, and get your buck. I mean, how fantastic is that? And just to go through this one more time, you're going to grab one of those 12 packs for $4.99, subtracting the $1 manufacturer digital. You're left with paying $3.99 out of pocket, doing a $1 submission to IBOTTA, $2.99 for the 12 rolls. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. I think it's 24 cents per roll, which is really fantastic. And if you want to use points to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do it in this scenario. But how fantastic is that? Now, the counterpart to this, so it's either with the Cottonelle or the Viva. The Viva is also $4.99, and there's a $1 IVC coupon found in the October Big Book. I believe it's on page 8, or you can load it digitally. And it'll drop it down to $3.99 for this fancier Viva paper towel, So just looking at the math again, you would grab one Viva for $4.99. I know some stores can let you grab up to 2, or if they have a paper restriction, you might have to ask, but it's $4.99. Subtracting that IVC from the October Big Book is $3.99. And yes, you can use points to pay down your balance. And if you wanted to grab more than one, the IVC would apply to say you were grabbing 2. $2 would come off. And it's just a really fantastic deal for paper products. So I would move on this sooner than later. And if you were smart and bought it on Sunday, photograph that receipt to IBOTTA and get your money back for the Cottonelle. And the last thing for Walgreens shoppers out there, this guy showed up in my digital coupons folder, so load it now. It's a 5 off of a $20 purchase. It's a one-time use, and it's valid, I believe, from the 4th to the 10th, so next week. So we'll definitely have some matchups for that. I know that other people had 10% off of 35 and some other chintzy ones. This is obviously the best one, so keep a watchful eye out for that because it's going to be a really great coupon to use. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.